Aye, so I got an Aurora alert on my phone the other night using my Glendale Sky app, and yeah, we got a short notice that there was auroras happening. So I grabbed my phone and my GoPro and went up to the top of the Oakwoods again to try and capture the auroras, but also to do a wee test to see if the S23 time lapse function is as good as the GoPros for capturing the auroras. And well, here they are. It's not very long because unfortunately the rain came straight in, so yeah, we got a bit wet out there. But aye, tell me what you think in the comments if you think the GoPro or the S23 is better for time lapsing auroras. Cheers now.